Hi friends! The footage you're about to watch is actually filmed from almost 2 months ago before we went on our honeymoon. I never was able to finish everything, so you're going to get present me elaborating more and showing you more of the afters of our organization, as well as my befores. This was before I was good at having my camera the long way, so please excuse the vertical footage that you're about to watch. I realized that we're gonna have to stay in our 1-bedroom house for a little bit after we have Riders, so to make more room, I cleaned and put stuff in storage and donated. It felt so good to get stuff done and organized. So enjoy. I hope this inspires you to do some cleaning yourself. Mwah. So I just got back from Walmart and I'm so excited for all the crap we bought. I got 5 totes, which is mainly going to be for clothes because I want them extra protected, especially going to go into a garage shop storage. Less likely for bugs to get in or rodents. I got this because I figured it can handle all the paper and the office stuff that I have lying around, as well as our important paperwork that we can put in there as well. And then I got a bathroom because we need some more storage in bathroom if we're gonna stay. We already have a shoe rack, but we have a lot of shoes, so I figured I can put that by the back door where I normally take my shoes off at. And then a rack for more space for our jackets because we have a lot of jackets. And then I got some little hooks for our helmets and stuff that we can just hang on the wall so that we don't have to find hidden storage for them. Here's our laundry area. This is where I typically will take off my shoes, so we put that second shoe rack there. Ty put up the hooks so that we could put up our riding gear. But yeah, just little efforts to make it a little nicer back here. So I want to talk about my favorite things about the bathroom storage. We got this to add extra storage over the toilet because, as you can see, we don't have very much room. I got these bins from Walmart and they are so nice. So my makeup's here. So although it's still a mess, it's like a contained mess. So it looks a lot nicer, where before this would all be just right there. And then my hair thing, and then extras, deodorants, Band-Aids, so on. And then all of my hair stuff, and then like a heating components. And then Ty's razor and that. I absolutely love this. Oh, and always reuse jars. This was, I think, some peaches that I got at Walmart that I ate, and now it is a Q-tip holder. Okay, so now we have the room cleaned. The storage we have in here to help out is a door hanger for more jackets. So this I got a while ago and I got it for our shoes initially. But now that we have the shoe racks, it's for our extra blankets. Our bed actually has drawers underneath, so that's also a really good way. My art stuff, my in-between art stuff. And I have like Christmas decorations, Halloween decorations, and I think over there used to be my costumes. I'm not sure what's in that drawer right now. Oh, more blankets. I also ended up buying these little closet hangies. So you're not losing any closet space because you can still hang your shirts down here, which I love. Again, I have a lot of shoes, so more shoe storage for shoes I don't wear all the time. My tank tops I wear every day, some leggings, dresses, yada yada. This is gift wrap we got for our wedding, and I'm using it for my belts and our accessories. Then we have Ty's side, so he obviously doesn't have as much stuff as me. That is basically it on cleaning my house. If you have any questions or if you have any suggestions, leave them down below. I always had a messy room. I was always a messy kid, and all of a sudden, I love things being clean. It feels so much better, so less stressful. I hope this helped you and I hope it motivated you. Thank you so much for watching and joining me. My name is Sam. I'm simply doing the things I need to do, want to do, or things that I think are fun and bringing you along with me. I hope you have a great day and we'll see you next time. Bye.